Welcome to the Hikvision A to Z channel. Forgot your DVR or NVR password? Today I'm going to show you how to reset your DVR or NVR password. Connect your DVR or NVR to the computer network. Open SADP or IVMS software. I'm using the SADP tool for the password reset. Select the correct device in the SADP tool. On the right side, you can see the Forgot Password option. Click on it. You will get a pop-up window. Select the appropriate mode. I'm using the Import XML method. Simply click on the Export button and save the file. Go to the Hikvision technical support page. Select Password Reset Request. Fill out the form. Don't forget to add a valid email address. The reset code will get your mentioned email ID. Finally, attach the export file and submit the form. After 2 or 3 hours you will get an email from the Hikvision technical support team. Download the file into your computer. Open the SADP tool and click on Forgot Password option again. Import the new file and type the password that you want. Then click on the Confirm button. The password will change.